You're sitting in a 90-minute long lecture. Nothing changes. And slowly you feel dead inside. This can end now with my idea engaging lectures. I suggest breaking up the lectures into a maximum of 25-minute long blocks. And then the gaps between the parts can be filled with interactive learning activities like quizzes, polls, or practical exercises. There is a ton of research on the effectiveness of these techniques. We should use them. This wouldn't just allow us to gain our focus back, but also let us check how much we got from the last couple of minutes of the lecture. Even more, these extra materials could be used later in preparation for the exam. The time has come to incorporate interactive learning into our education. For this to happen, we need only one thing: your vote. And by that, we can show that we want to see that excellence in our lectures. I am Abel, I'm studying informatics, and my proposal is engaging lectures.